In this video, I will show you how to download games on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, here we are, as you can see on Steam. So, of course, the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure you've got Steam opened and you're logged into your account. And when you go ahead and purchase a game on Steam, it's going to be added to your games library. So what you want to do is come up to the top. You can see we got the option for library here. Just go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked onto library, you're going to see all your purchased games on the left hand side. Now, if you don't see your game showing up, be sure to come up to the top, click onto this drop down box and make sure that games is selected. Once games is selected, what you want to do is locate the game that you want to download and install. So in this example, let's go ahead and take this game here, Call of Duty, and what you would do is simply press the blue install button. So once you've done that, it's going to ask you which drive to install to. Of course, it's going to be your C drive, and it's going to show you if you've got enough space. So if you do, just go ahead and click the blue install button. As you can see, the download is going to start, and that's going to start installing on your PC or laptop. On the left hand side, you can see the progress. So you can see currently 33% has downloaded, and my current download speed is averaging around 60 Mbps. Once the download has completed, this blue button here is going to say play. So if I come to a game that's already installed, you can see we got this green play button. So you just want to wait for that to finish and the green play button to appear, and then you're going to be able to go ahead and play that game on Steam. So that is how to download games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.